Good morning, Brie. All right.
Morning.
All right. If you ever choose between love or money, which one did I pick?
Money.
Why you say money?
If it's a choice, why not choose money?
Yeah, say you wouldn't pick love.
But if it's a choice, if I'm supposed to choose between love and money, I could choose money all the time. Love will come after.
Love will come after.
Of course.
But love are the ultimate thing, you know. Love is the most powerful thing. You never know.
In a way, where?
Love is the most powerful thing.
When?
Boom! Welcome back to my channel, RealkingTv Street Talk. And for today's episode, I'm going to ask people what them choose, love or money. What you think them going to say? We don't know. Come find out. Follow me.
RealkingTv, are you a mash up the whole place, you know? I take over the whole social media. You are the general. One with you, boy, I'm a key. RealkingTV. One do your interviews and get the views. I do your career, you choose. RealkingTV. You are the boss, one do it. Realking. I'll be your energy you bring. Big vibes. Big moves, all place turn up. When Realking step in, everybody pull up. From the streets to the media scene. RealkingTV.
What more important to you, love or money?
Money, man.
Money? Why you
Yeah.
say money?
They no money make love, man.
Yeah. Money make love possible.
Yeah.
Well, when I love, there's a love conquer still, so I love you greater than money to me still. No?
Well, that are you, but money. If you don't have the money, the love done.
You love done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
facts.
if
That.
you have money, you can't
Yeah.
start any love anyway.
Yeah, that's true, man. But I love them like a genuine still, because the money I control
No,
it.
no man, none
Yeah.
love the genuine same way.
Yeah,
The only thing genuine to a man is if you have piece of land, you know.
yeah.
Not even picking genuine to him, you know.
True.
Not
true,
no genuine
true.
to a man want piece of land.
Land.
If you want piece of land, that's a fear.
Yeah.
The pit didn't grow big, then gone left you. The
Yeah.
man gone left you. On the land at time with you.
Yeah.
That's where you plan, man.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Tony. Big up yourself, my
Yeah,
boss.
man,
Respect
listen.
our mothers. Respect. More important to you, love or money?
It two of them relevant, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Money relevant, money important.
Yeah.
But love, from you have money, you can always have love. So that I it.
That's right. So if you choose one, they say, we prefer this over this by a little. Which one do you choose?
I got choose the money, man.
Yeah, I choose the money.
Yeah. So who else me I got choose?
Yeah.
Choose the woman now and wait.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you not gone for your next man, we have the money.
Yeah, I choose that, you know. I choose the guy, man. Yeah, Mr. White. What more important to you, love or money?
Bro,
Yeah.
let me tell you.
Yeah.
So when it comes to love
Yeah.
and money,
Yeah.
love is a dangerous word, brother. Serious thing, brother.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Because it don't make sense. Somebody will love you for nothing at all, Yeah? But how long am I love you for if you can't give him nothing?
Yeah.
You have to have the dollars, bro.
Yeah.
You have to have the dollars. So you see when it comes to money, I want to powerful thing in the world, brother.
Yeah.
So you see money always all come first and then the love after.
Yeah.
But me no mean say me not gonna love a woman through money or whatever, but you see
Yeah.
money you have to have this, bro.
Yeah.
So love not gonna just go so. You not gonna go so, bro. Me I tell you, but you have to love people, you have to have love in your brother. But you have to have the money too. Cause even if people, money people look down upon you too, bro.
Yeah.
Cause if you want more people believe me have money, Yeah, people believe me have money because I saw me stay every day, bro.
Yeah.
I me I go to work and people never know if me I work.
Yeah.
But me work hard.
Yeah.
16 hours, work night, enough people don't know. That's how you go, brother. But love a good thing, brother. You have to have love in your brother. But money I want to powerful thing, brother. Money come first, man. Any of this, don't follow nobody.
Yeah.
Money.
Come first.
Money a root of all evil still, but it's the money.
Yeah.
It's the money.
Yeah.
Money you get love till you can't get love no more, but you have to know where you are to. But it's when you love somebody genuine, that is a different type of love. A true love you have,
Yeah.
You have a genuine love and you have money love.
Yeah, money love.
But you see genuine love,
Yeah.
that's I love.
Love.
I mean, no woman love me for money,
Yeah.
So you don't love me for nothing at all.
Yeah.
At them time them rig you. But so I say I love me for my money.
Yeah.
But doesn't know what time it is and I know what to do. But you have to have money, brother.
Yeah.
Money I key, bro.
Money I key.
Money I key, bro. Trust me.
Yeah.
See him, brother, and I hate that, bro.
Alright, my boss. Big up. Alright. Today we here with?
Today you with me?
Yeah. Alright. Mommy, not easy now. Alright, mommy. What's more important, love or money?
Love. Real love is important.
Okay.
Love. Money good,
Yeah.
but love is important. Love, real love, love.
Yeah.
It's important. More than money.
Oh, so
And money is still the key.
yeah.
You see it? But love, when you love a person,
Yeah.
like me out here during the days,
Yeah.
and how the little schoolers, everybody just love me.
Yeah.
All children and young people love me.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's important when somebody love you, real love. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Important to your love or money?
I gotta be honest,
Yeah.
the money is important,
Yeah.
but I love we grow up in it, you see me? So I always I go promote love and I always I go do things through love.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
But you still have to be at the center where you understand say your money is a critical thing in a them time as I can say what I go on. So
Yeah.
you see me, unity is key
Yeah.
and unity fall under them thing that we need to stick together and work together. You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
Because them like when we segregate
Yeah.
and them like when we head all over the place. You see me I deal with? So
Yeah.
love.
Yeah.
I love my going, yeah man.
Alright. Alright. Tell me when they can find them, G.
Yeah man, you can find it on Instagram. We have a new profile called DYUM.device.
Yeah.
Then we're up on the TikTok, I do a little thing. Honestly, it's a little private platform for me, not really showcase now. But we have an album I drop soon.
Yeah.
Very soon, they call The Vice inside, you see me? And we have a hot single off it called Portland Girl, which we just shoot the video for 2 days ago. So you just look out and stay tuned and be a tune. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, me G. Today we there with?
Ever.
Alright, Mr. Eva.
Yeah.
What you prefer if you choose one thing, money or love? Which one you need to pick?
I prefer love, you know.
Why you say love?
Because love is lovely.
Love is lovely?
Yeah.
Eh? So you know what, you don't want to choose the money?
No, I prefer love over the money right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Money can't come after.
If you were to choose one between love or money, what you to pick?
Love.
Why you say love?
Love stronger than the money.
You think so?
Yeah, man. Love stronger than the money.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Love and money and love.
Money and love?
No, money are evil.
Money are evil?
Yeah, man.
So why you say money are evil? Where you want to put the money?
No, we can't put money over love.
Yeah.
We put love over money.
Yeah.
Right now, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause right now, when the money gone, the love is still there.
You love still there.
Yeah, right now. Right. Yeah, bro.
I don't know people that know say love more powerful than anything else, you
Yeah,
know.
bro. Yeah, bro.
man.
That's
Yeah,
why
man.
my baby mother live till now, bro.
Alright, it's a
Yeah,
good
bro.
look, that man. It's a good look, man. Alright. Alright. Yeah, if you ever choose one thing between love or money, which one you pick?
Love are the better thing still, you know, but nothing can work without money around here, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
So, basically, although me would have choose love,
Yeah.
me have to go for money. Because
Yeah.
me have to suffer if me don't have the money. You understand? And love, me not go take me out of suffering to me see it. You no matter how much I have.
Yeah.
You see me? Then say can't cook pot. Love can't cook pot, so me have to go for your money.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cause pot have to cook.
You can't go Mr.
Yeah.
Chin Shop and say, Miss Chin, I'm in love, you know, give me some rice and sugar there. You can't get that, you know?
No, yeah, let me show you something. No matter what
Yeah.
work you do,
Yeah.
right now,
Yeah.
when you go to the place, you have to push out your money.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even though, like another man, like Jamaican, like you, that come and say, "Wow, do this to me."
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Chin, nah, do that for you, you know. So you try remember that,
Yeah.
Mr. Chin, nah, do that for you. So that's how it thing go.
Yeah.
A straight thing, man, you know,
Yeah, man.
straight across the board.
Yeah.
Sufferation, and you have to know if you navigate tonight. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? A nasky, you see,
Yeah, man.
the warrior.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Today we're there with
TJ, I know I go.
TJ.
Yeah.
Alright, my chief, if you choose one thing between money or love, which one you to pick?
Right now,
Yeah.
right now. Love, no love, no there again still no.
Yeah.
Loyalty,
Loyalty.
that we are deal with. Loyalty we are deal with.
Yeah.
You see it so? But still not choose money over love, same way.
Yeah.
I don't know. Money, anything to deal with money, you know, say corruption did they said
Yeah.
way. Same as
That's
love,
love.
same way.
Two of them
But
are corruption.
yeah, you
Yeah.
see, pray.
Yeah.
But I still I deal with love, said
Yeah.
way, you know.
Yeah.
That a code,
That
man.
a code.
Yeah.
Today we there with
Marcus, you know.
one Marcus. All right, my G. If you would choose between love or money, which one you pick?
I'm between love and money.
Yeah, which one you pick?
The two of them, you know.
Two of them you pick?
Yeah,
But you
man.
would choose one. I want you to pick
One
it up.
have to pick
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, between love or money.
Love and money.
Yeah.
Me have to pick the money, you know, sir.
Why you choose the money over the love?
Because I don't know if me have the, it's when me have money, me can't get the love.
Yeah.
If me not have the money, me can't.
Yeah.
Nobody never pay no money.
Yeah.
Yeah, you understand me, sir? Yeah, man.
But you know, say if you have the money, though, the woman can really genuinely love you for you still, know, because you have the money.
Then me tell say, me tell say, if me not have the money, me not go and love me.
Yeah.
I truth, plain truth, me I tell you.
Yeah.
See, you get me, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But if me have the money, we move quick, please say, boy, I love me. Sometimes I don't love me, just through the money.
Through the money.
Okay.
Yeah, my G, if you could choose between love or money, which one you pick?
Right now that
Yeah.
love or money,
Yeah, which one you choose?
that's stubborn to know, but that's stubborn, but
Yeah.
right now, if right now I love me choose over money. Right now with my wife.
Oh, with a wife?
Yeah,
Which
love.
Why you
I
choose
love?
love?
Me love her, she that take care of me and thing, and you don't know.
Yeah.
And that's the thing. I love.
Love are the answer to everything.
Yeah, love are the answer. I love, you know, love
she
carry
choose,
right.
she choose you who don't know money
We
at
don't
all.
know money at all as a broke man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I love it.
I love this.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Because you know money are root of all evil and you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my G.
Yeah.
If you would choose between love or money,
Watch it.
if you would choose between love or money, which one you pick?
Money.
Why you choose money?
Eh?
Why you choose money?
Money I come from the road.
Yeah.
Love I come off of the limb. So me I deal with the older one.
Yeah.
Because remember they say money are the root of all evil.
Yeah.
But love, you have it in limbs and branches.
Yeah.
So me I come from the root down there.
Yeah.
Right. Money.
Money.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, COVID-19. If you would choose between love or money, which one you pick?
Again?
Yeah.
Money.
Money?
Yeah.
Why you say money?
Because my love come from money. So from me and money, me have a certain type of loving.
Yeah.
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 So that's
So
it.
love, it says love now work for you?
When me have money.
When you have money?
Yeah. When me broke, me angry and mad.
Yeah. All right. Which more important, love or money?
If I love more money, if I love more money, she for your girls. I the girl they like money, you know.
The girl love
Bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Today we're there with
1 cup of sauce.
Add 1 cup of sauce. Love or money? Which one did I say more important to you?
No most money for them, man. Remember,
Yeah.
love can't send it through booby and them
Yeah.
go to school, you know. Love can't buy them shoes and clothes.
Yeah.
Love can't make them consume. Love is important,
Yeah.
but I have the money over love. For me.
Yeah.
But love is important.
Yeah.
Because remember, say we have our moms, you know.
Yeah.
And you could have thought this and your moms could have feel away.
Yeah.
But moms, me love you.
Yeah.
And you know me love you sincerely and dearly. But
Yeah.
like money
Yeah.
make the thing function.
Yeah.
And money. Remember we have youth and
Yeah.
we have things to take on, we have people where we
Yeah.
are breadwinners. So like source
Yeah.
of love now go work.
true
So
that,
I
man.
bread for the float, man.
Man.
You see me, man? In
Yeah.
real life, man.
Alright.
And you know me a Capricorn again,
Yeah.
so I strictly bread me deal.
Secret bread. Straight bread. I like Capricorn man rich, you know.
Bread.
Bread. Yeah. Today we're here with
Bree.
Bree. All right. Good morning, Bree. All right.
morning.
If you ever choose between love or money, which one did I pick?
Money.
Why you say money?
If it's a choice, why not choose money?
Yeah, say you wouldn't pick love.
But if it's a choice, if I'm supposed to choose between love and money, I go choose money all the time. Love will come after.
Love will come after?
Of course.
But love is the ultimate thing, you know. Love is the most powerful thing, you never know.
In a way, where?
Love is the most powerful
when?
thing.
When?
Love more powerful than anything else, man.
Back then.
If you have love, two people can build together and make life together. And then money can come after.
Love without money is
Yeah.
very miserable. I don't want that.
Yeah.
Especially a man without money, very miserable. So I'm going to choose the money.
But with the money, no, I say probably not because you're not going to
Yeah.
love the man genuinely. If I have some money alone,
Of
I want.
course, I will fall in love with him.
You would, but not a guarantee.
Yeah,
it's not a
we can
guarantee.
grow up to love him.
Grow up to love him?
Yeah. Yeah, we can fall in love with each other, just like we'd have fallen. All right.
Yeah.
If I'm supposed to genuinely choose between a man without money that loves me
Yeah.
and a man with money that loves me,
Yeah.
I'm going to choose the man with the money because it's still love.
Yeah.
And it don't act like some man with money can't love.
Can't love.
Then we fall in love
Yeah.
the same way and treat a good same way.
Yeah.
So why not?
Alright. Yeah, people, I hate that, unfortunately, another time, another thing just pass and gone. I just saw it go, people. Another bad episode. People tune in. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. You see me following me on my Instagram, RealkingTv official. My TikTok, RealkingTV. You see me? Please do the badness. Respect our manners. I'm out.